Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This BMW X1 crossover is available here in this sporty M Sport version, benefiting from a 2-litre 18D automatic model, also with sDrive functionality. The exterior will be finished in lovely blue colour and there's plenty going for it. Key equipment highlights will include silver 5-spoke alloy wheels, as well as benefit of automatic headlights with both front and rear fog lights. The boot space offers plenty of storage for shopping as well as suitcases for holiday trips away, and also rear seat folding. Inside you will find black leather upholstery with 2 Isofix jet anchor points to bring the little ones with you, as well as leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel for the driver, with front seats offering additional side lumbar support. Infotainment wise, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The entertainment media will house the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio, with both a CD player, auxiliary inputs, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity for your device. The Bluetooth will also house audio wireless media streaming as well. There's also a 2-zone climate control system available with heated front seats to enjoy as well. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.